and welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza journey, and today I'm cooking with the Ooni Karu. I'm cooking a gas-fired pizza in there. It's going to be a bit of pepperoni, salami, pecorino cheese, a few tomatoes, and so let's go make it. Okay, so I've made the pizza. Here it is. It's got all my different favourite toppings on there. Bit of pepperoni, salami and pecorino cheese grated on there, tomatoes and some peppers. Okay, so I had to turn the flame down a little bit just to get the oven down in temperature, to get the stone the temperature I want it to be. I'm going to turn it back up again now. For the cook. This is ready to go in. Let's get this pizza in. The temperature of the stone is at 410 degrees centigrade. And the gas is on full. I might turn it down if I feel that cooking the crust too fast. So I've noticed the bubbles are coming up on the top of the rim of the crust, which is interesting. Shows that the flame is hitting at a different place to the coda. Doesn't mean that's any worse, it just means it's hitting it in a different place. It's just more of an above cook than a side cook, like the coda gives, but I think this is done. .410 degree stone cook on the gas. That's good enough for me. Oh yeah. 200-gram dough ball, 24-hour room proof, 24-hour fridge proof, then back to room temperature. It took about 5 hours for it to get back to room temperature. It was a cold day, really. Tomato there. It's given it a good top cook, no messing around. I have to say, every time the gas comes out really good. I mean, I had it on full flame. It's come out really well. I'm really pleased. The Ooni gas burner works really well in the Ooni Karu. I'm really pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed this vid. I'm getting used to cooking with the curry, really enjoying it, and I love using both the wood and the gas with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.